Hello everyone. So a quick update from me. We are coming up with our next masterclass, the chocolate masterclass, which I've been teaching since the past 14 years. And a lot of people had questions about this masterclass, so I'm here to solve that. So basically the masterclass is a 3 days program, which has the first day, the basic chocolates along with the center-filled chocolates. It's going to be a 4.5 hours class where we cover some 18 to 20 varieties of basic chocolates, right from Dairy Milk, your fruit and nut bar, your double layer, triple layer, the rocks, the biscuit chocolates, and then comes your center-filled chocolates, which comes in your different centers like your hard center, soft center, magic pan center, sticky center, and lots of other varieties of centers as well, along with lollipops and stuffed dates and many more. So there are 15 varieties in center-filled chocolates. Now the second day is our chocolate mithai class. Yes, many people asked that whether chocolate mithai was included in the master class. Yes, it is. So basically it's your day 2 of the master class, where I cover my 12 to 14 varieties of chocolate mithais, which are flavored, colorful chocolates made in cubes, made in blocks, made in bars, and yes, along with that we'll be also covering Kaju Katli shape and some designer chocolate bars. Now this class has a lot of information where I cover right from pricing, packaging, wrapping, transportation, the actual packing of the gift box, how we're going to ribbon wrap it, and yes, 35 to 40 broadcasts of all the vendors list will be provided to you post class. So it will be not a make along class, it will be a demo, live and interactive class where I will be sharing with you all the details about chocolates A to Z. Now the third day is our advanced premium range chocolate class, where we cover the advanced range like the Florentines, Florons and Bridgels. These are my signature chocolates. And then comes your truffles, we have After Eight, Ferrero Rocher, we have chili guava, we have the rose chocolate, and many more. Again, we'll be covering the pricing and packaging. So basically all our classes cover pricing, packaging and transportation, business skills. We definitely work a lot towards how do you start your business venture. Okay, so basically I will be guiding you how I started. I will be sharing my experience from the past 14 years, how you will be starting with your chocolate venture. Also, I'll be guiding you all throughout. There will be a post-class support given to you, very motivational support, and which is of unlimited period. Every class will be recorded, so you will be getting recordings post class. There will be PDF recipes. Those who are joining me online, you will be getting the PDF recipes before the class begins on the day of the class, along with the Zoom link, and post class the recording and the vendor details. So what are you waiting for? So all those of you who are really asking me so many questions, and yes, I'm so thrilled and happy to get so many inquiries this coming week, and thanks to my most viral chocolate mithai reel, which has reached really well, and that's how I've got loads of inquiries coming up. So I decided to actually come up and tell you about this masterclass. So those who wish to enroll for all the 3 days, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and I will give you the details of all the 3 days. Those who don't wish to do all the 3 days, only chocolate mithai, then you can join only the 1 day chocolate mithai class. Those who want to do even the chocolate mithai along with the advanced premium range chocolate class, yes, we can even do those 2 days of the advanced range. So DM me and I will tell you the registration details. Thank you.